believe it or not, this is the 28th day of doing the 30-day baking soda challenge. And because we came so close, I've been doing this every single day, once in the morning, once in the evening, and even though I haven't been recording because life, I've been still sticking to it. So this is day 28. Oh, crap. Alright, so she's looking good. The gums. Personally, I think that my teeth really haven't like changed too much. The color might have been a little bit whiter, but mainly the gums. I think my gums got a lot healthier. But other than that, this is still day 28. I'm still gonna do this until the 30th. It's 30 days total. So, anyways, until then, bye.